we have here is an old abandoned hive that I had out, and looks like a feral swarm has taken over. There's different beekeepers in the area. This is actually kind of nice because it's better that it happens here versus someone's home. What I'm doing is I'm smoking them just to calm them down. A lot of times, I guess a simple way of explaining that would be that they think it's a forest fire. I'll leave this here, and what will happen is they will harvest it all and stick it all back in. This here is obviously one needing a little bit of another super, like right now. Quite a bit of honey in there. This fall with basically honey production, just to see if it makes a difference or not. Bees are working pretty good out here. They've got all various clover and a lot of goldenrod and some other flowers. A little bit. There we go.